Welcome back to my vlog channel. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful morning even though the sky is overcast. Seems like we're gonna get some rain today, Scotty.
Yeah, it involved.
After a long period of drought.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Scotty is here preparing the land.
Yeah. But we're doing some sowing today.
Yeah.
Today is a part of the sowing. So we take it up in hand today. To see how much we can do today.
Sowing carrots.
Yeah, we're gonna sow some
Carrot seeds.
some hybrid Super Corona.
Karuda. No corona around here. Karuda. Soup.
Sean,
Oi.
go to Rasta.
Oh,
Turn up my mind, black cook out the foot, brother.
Yeah, so he's chopping up the land.
Refining.
Yes.
Because you can't sow the carrot on the coaster.
No.
You can't take no root. Because the carrot have to fight the dirt going in. So you chop it up, more easier, more lighter, more better for the carrot. Easier to germinate.
That's true. And brother Scotty is a man that don't like too much heavy machines. He prefer to do the chopping up, the plowing, everything manually.
You deep with them where you understand it more on this, because you can go through the stone, the most refined here where you can take it more on the big machine. Or sometimes the machine can't go around the stone.
True.
You know what, they just take the stone. Normally, and just
Tell them teacher.
yeah. We're doing some great chopping up this morning.
Yeah.
Some seed. Although we not have that rain on it, but
Seems like we're gonna get rain sometime today,
we
man.
have get rain before the weekend. So we are use up with space.
Yes.
Why when we take it so early, because we want the whole from the down of the drum, the whole entire go right back to the banana. It's done today.
Right.
That's why you see me push it out early and just keep it on going punching on.
So this morning you start?
Yeah.
This morning? I think you start from yesterday.
Yeah, man.
Cause sure me not come over here
No,
yesterday.
it start from yesterday because you know it wasn't fresh.
Right.
If rain come upon it, you still have to go back to crepey
Yeah,
to get that mice up on the dirt.
right.
Because if rain fall tonight, last night, and we couldn't just sow this morning, we still would have to crepey.
Yeah.
Now you me tell you that I get up early this morning.
Yeah, but
Early me over here, man.
we think you just start this part.
No, this morning we get up and do everything.
Okay.
Because I done it today. I've done this before 3 o'clock. I don't get no sun.
So we can start sow the seed tomorrow.
No,
Oh, yeah, go sow it today?
do it today.
Oh. So you're gonna need one more buckle of the ants powder, one a big buckle.
No. We're going to use off all of the ants powder. Because we have 2 ants powder, don't we?
Yeah.
So I think that can carry.
Okay. Oh, tell them why you use the ants powder.
Yeah, the reason why you use the ants powder, and we have to use the ants powder, the ants remove the seed from the soil and carry it or store it in a them house or them hole. So to avoid them from taking it, we put on the powder.
Right.
Because the powder kill them, it's like a poison. So whenever time them go against the powder, them just dead, just like how you see you have fly bait.
because the carrot seed have like a sweetness to it
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
that attract ant.
The preservative, which is the powder,
Yeah,
is on the seed. That's why they try to take away the seed to get that sweet scent
yeah,
that this carrot have.
right,
So I
right.
think why them see them on it.
So whenever you sow the carrot, you have to powder
Yeah,
the
you have
land.
to have the powder on it to
Hmm.
make the seed stay into the dirt. The hands can't get to remove it.
Yeah. So that's why it's important to use
Yes,
the ant
it's very
powder.
much,
The
very
same time you sow the seed, you
And
powder it.
it's very much important. Some people go without sowing it with the powder, but they do lose
Yeah.
because the hands take away the seed.
And
You
then
can
they
use
put it in one area.
Yeah,
And when
they
it's
can
too-
go one ear go dump it.
Yeah.
So the ear where them can go dump it, you see all 2,000 seed just one spot.
Yeah.
And it can't bear this so you get thick.
Yes,
You
it's
have to eventually haul it out to make them get space.
right.
So for avoid them from haul it out to get that space, you don't have to sow it thick. The hands remove it. So you put on the powder.
Yes.
That prevent the hands from taking it away.
Right, right. Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
So you said Scotty by 3 o'clock you finish. Scotty, you finishing before 3 o'clock. Look where you reach already.
I don't want done before 3, I want done it good.
Yeah.
We mind done it before rain fall. So
Yes.
everything just composite.
True. And we're using 3 packs of seeds.
3 packs of the hybrid.
Super Karuda.
Yeah, it's a very hybrid. It's a carrot where it's redder than the rest.
Yeah.
What you would say now? The PS, it's
Yeah.
red, but it don't red like the super.
When you say red, you mean the orange color where you see it higher.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
color of the carrot
Yeah.
have a red and it just show one redness. So whenever time you reach that carrot, you have that red, it show you white.
Yeah.
Because normally you have some carrot and when you reach it, it have a white looks.
Right,
But
right.
people that say, you know, so the carrot ain't ready yet.
Mm-hmm.
But it's the variety of the carrot, just come whitish. And this land you have to chop up with understanding.
Yes.
Because everybody can chop it up to the groove where it's supposed to chop. And you have to sink it because this carrot is very tall. So
Yes.
they go deep. So they have to have the depth stairs for them to come normally the way it's supposed to come.
Righteous.
Yeah, go up there, man. You know, that's how we start this morning.
Yeah.
Look how far we reach already.
Reach far, man.
You see, I got to do the brother will pass and turn up and look. He said, man, he said, you have to know what you do. It's not everybody can come here and do it because when we notice with French people, they're on go working ground till 12 o'clock, 11, 10 o'clock, 11.
Yes.
And after 11 o'clock, they don't do no more work.
Yeah.
Until probably evening time, then go do a little work between 3 and 4.
Yeah.
Manchester don't do it like that.
Yeah.
They just work the whole day.
Yeah. And he's saying this because he's a Manchester man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just push out that effort.
Yes.
A man would look on this and say, all right, by 10 o'clock we come back and go get some tea. We don't bother with that.
Yeah.
We normally work till that hours come.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Miss Sean, I Lego you and Rasta today.
Yep.
You mean money to honor we are Lego today, man. I'm glad how the boy just come balancing to me, you know. Because I never want to lift us up today. God knows. It's sweet, you know, man.
Yeah.
Chopping your sweet.
It's chopping sweet because the dirt not hard.
Whoa, you know, so we just got you.
Yeah.
You just got you, nothing clean, you know, clean off no. You just a lick and go through.
So them look a pile now. When you finish, you just take them off.
Yeah, me just get a stick now,
Mm-hmm.
scrape them off, put them in a one heat or something and light it.
Yeah. So we want string bean and pumpkin over there, over that side.
Nasty to beer, string bean and pumpkin.
Yes.
You just a pick a portion.
Yeah, yeah.
I think we have couple pumpkin over there.
Yeah.
And the one that we put in the sun
Yeah.
to dry. The reason why I leave it in the sun, it's a good pumpkin and it never properly fit.
Right.
So therefore, we need the seed from it to put back. So that's why I leave it in the ground to make it go on ripe.
And we have a few pumpkin seeds here.
Yes, that's why I leave it there.
Yeah. And we have another pack too that
Yeah,
I got from overseas.
The most you can get, the amount you can get it better for you.
Yeah.
Because the whole of them stony land there, a hit you are going to use to put there. Use all the level that you have here to put in the vegetable and the little color, little this and little that.
Yeah. The small part down there, so
Yeah.
we're going to do some callaloo, all different type of vegetables
Yeah,
at the
man.
bottom, because I have a lot of seeds, so
Yeah.
I'm
And
going to
if you
pour
not have
some
color,
of
you know,
the seeds.
brother.
Yeah. Yeah. I think you're not funny, like, people are doing so another. Today I look about the Alright, so we have some bags here with some fall manure, chicken manure that we're going to use on the carrot when it's time to use it. You know that I like to plant my crops organically, the healthier way. So we're going to use these. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2 halves, so 6 bags of chicken manure, and we have some more to collect. Again.
Yeah, I said enough boy
Yeah,
doesn't like my style of working because they cannot cope with me.
yeah.
Anytime they see me at work this way, they start complaining. Say, boy, you know, if you kill them,
Oh,
but I don't kill them, but I just
you just have to go up the line.
be active on your body,
Yeah,
do the movements that you're working,
yes, I.
you just movements on them and them. Some people like it and some don't like it because you pull them.
Okay,
When
yeah,
you can't work just like you,
yeah,
them like it.
yes,
Because it's just like a joke. You see you move fast and then they're behind you.
yes,
Yeah, but some man don't like when you move fast because he don't have that push
yeah.
to move fast like you. So in larger companies say, boy, you kill me.
Ah,
Take time, man.
ah. Oh gosh. So we want to put some rainer,
Yeah,
some rain upon the carrot. So you know we're planting it now. It's June. This is summertime,
yeah,
and most likely it's going to be hot.
yeah.
So we want to put some rainer on it so we can, whenever it need, we see it looking dry, we can give it some water.
Now we can do some sprinkler and wet up it.
Yeah, that's sprinkler.
Yeah.
What we call it, rainer? Sprinkler. The sprinkler is the same thing as the rainer.
Yeah, that's the rainer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rainer, sprinkler like it.
Mm-hmm. So we have some bags here with some fall manure, chicken manure that we're going to use on the carrot when it's time to use it. You know that I like to plant my crops organically, the healthier way. So we're going to use these. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2 halves, so 6 bags of chicken manure, and we have some more to collect.
Yeah, I said enough boy
Yeah,
doesn't like my style of working because they cannot cope with me.
yeah,
Anytime they see me at work this way, they start complaining. Say, boy, you know, if you kill them.
Oh,
But I don't kill them, but I just
you just have to go up the line.
be active on your body,
Yeah.
do the movements that you're working.
Yes, I.
You just movements on them and them. Some people like it and some don't like it because you pull them.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
you can't work just like you.
Yeah.
Them like it.
Yes.
Because it's just like a joke. You see you move fast and then they're behind you.
Yes.
Yeah, but some man don't like when you move fast because they don't have that push
Yeah.
to move fast like you. So in a lot of companies say, boy, you kill me.
Ah.
Take time, man.
Oh gosh. So we want to put some rainer,
Yeah,
some rain upon the carrot. So you know we're planting it now. It's June. This is summertime,
yeah,
and most likely it's going to be hot.
yeah.
So we want to put some rainer on it so we can, whenever it need, we see it looking dry, we can give it some water.
Now we can do some sprinkler and wet up it.
Yeah, that's sprinkler. The sprinkler is the same thing as the rainer.
Yeah, as a rainer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rainer, sprinkler it need.
Thank you guys for watching my vlog channel. Remember to like, subscribe,
Alright,
and
yeah,
share.
we coming over.